Can you get on there, please? You got on there the last time. Why didn't I have my phone?
Get on your finger if it's long enough.
Yeah, bird's totally on my finger. Look at the camera. Bird's totally on my finger.
Yeah. I mean, they will get on your finger sometimes if it's long enough.
Alright.
Howdy, y'all. I'm just gonna get me a sex change. It doesn't want your skin.
Come on, okay.
Sometimes you just gotta pick them up. You just, like, take your finger, like this. Yeah, maybe.
Come on. He's thinking about it.
Yeah, he's like, finger doesn't look long enough. He's like, yeah, I don't know. He's like,
Either he's contemplating to bite you. I'm gonna see if I can get one of these over here. Y'all want to get on the stick?
Get them on your fingers. Oh no, I scared them. Maybe we could get some feed and maybe then they get on your fingers.